Learn English with Word In. Today's sentences list. Sentence 1.
I am damn sure.
I'm damn sure. Sentence 2.
Only you and me are left.
Only you and me are left. Sentence 3.
Until you eat.
Until you eat. Sentence 4.
At least wear a shirt.
At least wear a shirt. Sentence 5.
So what do I do?
So what do I do? Sentence 6.
Let's blow up balloons.
Let's blow up balloons.